Ave Coders. In this video we're going to be solving the prime factors challenge. But first of all, what prime factors are? Prime factors are factors of a number that are themselves prime numbers. In other words, any of the prime numbers that can be multiplied to give the original number. This is a marvelous definition, but what is a prime number then? Well, the prime number is a number that is divisible only by itself and 1. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. For example, let's take a number 180. So its prime factors are 2, 2, 3, 3, and 5. So if we'll take these numbers 2, 2, 3, and 5 and multiply them, we're going to get 180. However, this is not the case with numbers like 13 or 17 because they are the prime factors of themselves. Alright, so this is a challenge. We're going to write a function to find all prime factors. So as an input, we're going to get the integer value, and the output, we're going to output the list of prime factors. Let's take a look at the example. For example, we have the function called prime factors, and we pass 180 into the function, and we get a list of these prime factors: 2, 2, 3, 3, 5. Pause the video here, try to solve it yourself, and I'll see you soon with the solution. For this example, I'm going to use Google Colab. We don't need to import anything, so we can use the plain Python. So let's get on with the function then. So I'll call it get prime factors, and it's going to have parameter n, which is going to represent all the integer values that we're going to input into the function. And here we declare the factors variable that will store the list of our prime factors. And this variable divisor will hold a value for our divisor. So we're going to start with the 2, and we're going to divide our number iteratively by 2. So I'm going to use the while loop here. So while the divisor is less than or equal to the number, I'm going to divide the number on this divisor, and if the divisor divides it with some remainder, we're going to increase the divisor by 1. So in other words, if n mod divisor equals to 0, then we're going to append this divisor to our list, and we're going to iteratively store the value after the division into the number. Otherwise we'll divide the same number again and again. And in any other cases, we're going to increment our divisor by 1. And our function will return the list of prime factors. So return factors. Alright, so the function is ready. Let's test it. So down below, I'll call the function with a number. Say the argument will be equal to something from the examples. I'll take 180. So 180, get prime factors, and we get the list of 2, 2, 3, 3, and 5, same as in example. But if I'll change it to say 13, then we're going to get just the number 13. And the same goes for 17. We're going to get 17. That's it. So this is one of the possible solutions for these challenges. So keep solving challenges, keep coding, and everything will be fine. That was V. Please give this video Emperor's thumbs up, toll the bell, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.